Okay, students, our next standard inverse trigonometric function is given as y is equal to cos inverse of x, where x greater than equal to -1 and less than equal to 1, and y is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to pi. Means the range of x is -1 to 1 and the range of y is 0 to pi. Okay, then the first order derivative of y with respect to x is given as -1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, let us prove this result. Students, since y is equal to cos inverse of x, okay, then we have x is equal to cos of y, means x is related with cos of y. Then if we take the derivative of x with respect to y, okay, taking derivative of x with respect to y, we have dx by dy is equal to, at the right hand side of the equal we have cos y, and we know that the derivative of cos y with respect to y is minus sine of y. Okay, and since we have to find dy by dx, but at this stage we have dx by dy, so we have to convert this fraction. We get dy by dx is equal to -1 upon sine of y, and this is equal to, okay, we have to find dy by dx in the form of x. We have to prove the first order derivative of y with respect to x in the form of x, but we have 1 upon sine y, means the function of y. Okay, so we have to convert sine y in the form of x, but we know that there is no any relationship directly with the sine y. Sine y का रिलेशनशिप x से डायरेक्ट नहीं है, मतलब हमें sin y को किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, cos y में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. We have to convert sin y in the form of cos y. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें dy by dx x में चाहिए, dy by dx x में चाहिए, उसके लिए क्या करना है, sin y को cos y में कन्वर्ट करना है. क्यों cos y में? क्योंकि because cos y is related with x, okay, and for this we know that sin y is given as 1 minus cos square of y, okay, and put the value of sin y, sorry, cos y, we have 1 minus cos y is x, so we get x square. Okay, any problem, students? ठीक है, तो we have dy by dx is equal to -1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So this one is the our result for derivative of y. If y is given as standard inverse trigonometric functions, that is cos inverse of x, so derivative of cos inverse x is -1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. ठीक है, please note down.